Who has time to read the book? But if you would give me 10 minutes of your life, I will have the wisdoms of this book distilled for you. Stick around and watch this video till the end. Are you ready to fast-track your journey to greatness? Then let's dive into the captivating world of this book and discover the life-changing lessons it has to offer. Trust me, this 10-minute investment of your time will be worth every second. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Richest Man in Babylon, a finance book written by George Clason in 1926. Traditional education often neglects to teach individuals how to tap into their creativity and enhance their productivity. However, humans possess an innate ability for self-learning and can acquire new skills and knowledge through a combination of study materials and real-life experiences. By investing in personal growth and skill development, individuals can increase their value in society and enhance their earning potential. This can be accomplished through various means, such as pursuing further education, exploring new books, obtaining additional certifications or qualifications, or acquiring in-demand skills. By augmenting your earning potential, you not only elevate your current income, but also position yourself for future success and greater financial prosperity. Now, let's explore the 7 key principles derived from the renowned book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Saving 10% of your earnings. The first principle is saving 10% of your earnings is crucial for establishing a strong financial base. By setting aside a portion of your income, you not only create a foundation for investment, but also cultivate a mindset of mindful spending. This practice enables you to live within your means, avoiding the pitfalls of debt, while simultaneously building a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. The habit of saving not only empowers you to generate additional income through investments, but also provides peace of mind and financial security when faced with unexpected challenges. Controlling your spending. The second principle focuses on exercising control over your spending habits. It encourages the practice of discerning between genuine necessities and mere desires, and prioritizing spending solely on essential needs. This entails adopting a modest lifestyle and resisting the temptation to overspend solely due to an increase in income. By mastering the art of spending control, you create room to allocate more funds towards saving and investing. Mindful spending not only prevents the accumulation of unproductive debt, but also guarantees that your financial resources are utilized wisely. By consciously managing your expenses, you can safeguard your financial well-being and ensure that your hard-earned money is directed towards meaningful and purposeful pursuits. Putting your money to work. The third principle revolves around the concept of making your money work for you. It emphasizes the significance of not allowing your savings to remain stagnant, but rather seeking avenues to generate additional income and harness the power of compounding returns. This can be achieved through prudent investments or by venturing into entrepreneurship to establish a business that generates sustainable income. By actively putting your money to work, you cultivate an income stream that continues to benefit you, even in periods when you are not actively working. This principle underlines the notion that it's not solely about saving money, but also about proactively seeking opportunities to expand your wealth through investments and other ventures that generate income. By adopting this approach, you unlock the potential for long-term financial growth and ensure a more secure and prosperous future. Protecting your principal from loss. The fourth principle emphasizes the significance of exercising caution and prudence in the realm of investing. It recommends allocating your funds solely to opportunities that offer a low risk of loss. This entails refraining from risky investments that may promise lucrative returns, but come with a high level of uncertainty. Preserving the value of your assets necessitates safeguarding your principal, the amount of money you have invested. In the context of today's modern world, this can extend to actions such as obtaining insurance coverage for your rental property. By adhering to this principle, you prioritize the protection of your assets and maintain a vigilant awareness of risk factors. It highlights the significance of making well-informed investment decisions by thoroughly assessing and comprehending the potential risks involved. Seeking advice from experts. The fifth principle emphasizes the importance of seeking guidance from qualified professionals who possess the necessary knowledge and experience to assist you in making informed financial decisions. These professionals can include financial advisors, investment experts, or specialists in their respective fields. It is crucial to consult with individuals who are qualified and capable of offering reliable and accurate information that aligns with your unique financial circumstances. However, determining the qualifications and credibility of individuals can sometimes be challenging. One approach is to consider those who have already achieved significant wealth, as they can serve as living proof of their success and demonstrate tangible evidence of their financial accomplishments, rather than relying solely on individuals who is only reading information from textbooks. Owning your own home. The sixth principle emphasizes the value of homeownership and encourages treating it as a profitable investment. Owning a home offers both stability and security, while also presenting opportunities for income generation through renting or selling. However, it is crucial to approach the decision of purchasing a home with careful consideration and financial prudence. Evaluating the financial feasibility and long-term implications of such an investment is paramount. By conducting thorough research, analyzing market trends, and considering factors such as location and potential rental or selling prospects, you can make an informed decision and ensure that your home purchase aligns with your financial goals. Increasing your ability to earn. The final principle highlights the significance of continuously enhancing your skills and knowledge to maximize your earning potential. By investing in your personal growth and increasing your value in society, you open up opportunities to elevate your income and achieve greater financial success. Constantly expanding your skill set and knowledge equips you with the expertise and abilities that make you more sought after in the job market or entrepreneurial endeavors. This proactive approach to self-improvement not only positively impacts your current income, but also positions you for long-term advancement and increased earning capacity. By embracing a lifelong learning mindset and staying updated with industry developments, you pave the way for continuous growth and the realization of your full earning potential. I present you with a challenge that is to watch this video not just once, but repeatedly, aiming for at least 10, 15 times, and you can do this by simply looping the video. Then you will effectively allow these wisdoms to sink in deep into your subconscious mind, becoming ingrained in the very core of your belief system. As you internalize these principles, you will unlock the power to overcome internal barriers, eliminate resistance, and align your actions with the pursuit of your desired financial outcomes. Embracing these principles wholeheartedly empowers you to make conscious choices that propel you confidently towards the realm of financial success.